How is it going, ladies and gentlemen? This is the Wolf Around, and it's great to see you here. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly compile GLM from its source code on Windows. GLM is an open source, header-only mathematics library for graphics programming in C++. It provides a wide range of functionalities commonly used in computer graphics. Subscribe to the channel, join the pack, you are always welcome here. Without further ado, let's get started. GLM is an open source, header-only library, which means you can directly include its headers in your project without pre-compiling it. While this simplifies integration, it can increase compile times because the library's code is processed every time a source file includes its headers. For large projects or those requiring faster build times, a potential optimization is to reduce dependency on header-only libraries or use pre-compiled headers. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to compile GLM into a static library to demonstrate an alternative approach. This approach may require adjustments depending on your project. I've written a batch script to automate this process and make it easier to explain. First of all, Visual Studio or build tools for Visual Studio should be already installed on your system. These tools are essential for C++ development on Windows. Additionally, Git and CMake must be installed to download the GLM source code and compile it. The script will set up the necessary environment variables for compiling any C++ code. Check if the GLM source code is already downloaded. Ask which CMake generator you want to use, Ninja or Visual Studio. If Ninja is not installed, you can choose Visual Studio. Ask whether you want to compile GLM as a release or debug. Configure the CMake arguments. I've enabled the necessary options and disabled unnecessary ones, such as examples and tests. Optimize the compilation process. The script detects your computer's maximum thread count and uses 2 fewer threads for compilation. And finally, starts the compilation process. Let's open a terminal in the same directory as the script and run it. I'll choose Ninja as the CMake generator. If Ninja isn't installed on your system, you can select Visual Studio. I'll compile it as release. Compilation is complete, and the library output directory is here. Next, I'll choose Visual Studio as the CMake generator. Let's compile it as debug. Compilation is complete. The library output directory is here. I'm a software engineer specializing in computer graphics, game development, GPU hardware acceleration, AI inference, and cross-platform C++ development. I look forward to sharing more insights with you. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'll see you in the next one.